Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Marill. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the nose with a small black triangle. Next, on both sides, let's add a circle for the eyes. And then inside each eye, let's add another circle towards the top and inner corners. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's draw a curve in towards the center from both sides. And then a long curve underneath. And then inside, let's draw a curve across for the tongue. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and draw the body. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve. And then let's curve it down on both sides, stopping around the bottom of the mouth level to make room for the arms. Now from both sides, let's draw another curve out and back in like this for the arms. And now underneath, let's draw a large U-shaped curve to close off the bottom of the body. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw another curve up and back down across the belly. And that's it for the main part of the belly. Next, let's move on top and add the ears. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a large curve up, down, and back in. And let's do the same thing on the top right. Next, let's move inside and let's draw another curve that's slightly towards the bottom. And that's it for the ears. Now let's move down to the bottom and add the feet. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw a curve out and back in. And the same on the bottom right. Lastly, on the right side, let's add the tail. Let's start on the bottom right and let's draw a zigzag line out and up, stopping here. And now let's do the same thing underneath. And then lastly, at the end, let's draw a large circle. And that's it for Marill. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!